Hello, everybody. This is me, Dina. This is my mother. Well, she's the only adult in this house, so obviously.
Hello, everybody.
I'm here. We're gonna cook.
Well, we started recording a little late here. Cupcakes are kind of done. We're just
the camera couldn't take it.
putting them in nice little molds.
The camera was too scared.
We're doing double chocolate.
Triple
chocolate.
Oh,
Jinx.
jinx. Jinx. Imagine if I just sleep.
Coughing on them is very good.
What?
Put all the germs in there. Just joking. I can't get these cupcakes.
Did you like wait to get them?
No.
Hi.
So you can tell the people a little joke if you want me.
What would the iPhone say to the iPhone?
So by the way, guys, these are the best cupcake molds. Let me show you why. Aluminium at the bottom, and the fact that there's a separate paper inside, so the cupcakes will not stick with the mold.
Bad timing for coughing.
Okay.
That's what the iPhone will say. I just continue.
That's a good one.
What are you judging about? Who made you the judge, Mom?
What the heck did I say, Judge? Okay, well, entertain our folks.
Okay.
Dina is my helper. She's very good at licking the spatulas, the mixer, the spoon in the bowl after it's done. Other than that, not much happened.
Excuse me, I didn't quite hear that because I was coughing.
Very interesting. I'm being
I
ignored
did.
and coughing.
I did that on purpose.
I
So-
heard that.
So you guys couldn't get upset at me. Thanks. I said nothing to you.
Oh yeah? I don't know. I don't know if it's the camera feeding you cupcakes after or me. I want to convince here, honestly.
Can I help?
Well, at this point, not really.
Wait. Okay, people. Let's start baking. I don't know how to do this. This is awkward. So awkward.
Because usually in the cooking shows, Dina, like they make the first batch. So let's say like now,
Yeah,
they
we do.
forward, they cut it. So they don't stay the people during this boring time. But that's what you're here for, to tell jokes.
Yeah. And you might think that this is a cooking
You better
show.
start getting good at it, because you can call it cooking/comedy.
You might think this is a cooking show completely, but this is a cooking and comedy show. So
Ooh. It's not me.
I'll tell you a joke.
After she looks this.
Yeah, I'm the best licker in the world. Oh wait,
That's what everybody
I
says.
forgot something. Watermelons.
I did not.
Okay.
Excuse me? Tina, don't do stuff like
I
that.
just said you might not be sure.
Yeah, and why whispering from me?
I thought you could hear like you did last time with your Superwoman ears. Oh, Wonder Woman. Because you like her. It's very quiet in here. Okay, my joke was, if you're a girl or a boy or an adult or whatever you are, or a dragon, just make sure you have fingers and a hand and an arm to extension. Not only for cooking, but if I were you, I would hold a bazooka that's so giant, put the sun inside, make it summer.
Well,
Or even, how do you call pop again? Or I would even make it Easter, so it's my birthday already. Dun, dun, dun.
You know what happens each birthday?
What?
You just get older. You know what it means? When you get closer to having responsibilities. Well, I wouldn't rush if I were you. You know when's the excitement?
Yeah,
Before. No, before Christmas and before the birthday. You know when you know what's coming up? But then once it's finished, you're like, oh, okay.
I know. I was about to explain that. Okay?
So don't rush. Take your time, folks. Kids, stay kids.
I would make it summer and past my birthday so I'm still young. So if I could have done that at 1 year old, I would have even done that at 6 months if my mom taught me how to hold stuff. I would just take that giant bazooka and just be like, I'm making myself young again. Oh yeah. And I will be able to lick more stuff and chocolate. Let's see. Folks, I'm gonna have you have a question at the end of this, okay?
How bored are you?
No. This is our first episode ever. Not talking. On a scale of 1 to 10 or a million.
Please come and have our cupcakes made from sick people.
No, don't say that.
I'm joking.
It's my fault she's sick. My fault. Okay? And from a scale to 1 to a million, what would you represent this show?
You know, you asked this after a few shows, not the first one that sucks.
This is the first one we've made together, okay? Oh, and then question number 2. Do you have an animal or anything on your shirt? And question number 3. Say which one you have on your pajama or shirt or whatever you're wearing. Well, the first time you were baking.
What do you have on your shirt, Dina?
I have an owl with a bow.
Let me show them what I have. I have Barbie! Evil!
I shouldn't be recording this.
Why? It's funny.
No, me coughing.
Oh, yeah. No.
Me coughing all over.
Forgive the coughing.
From a scale to 1 to 10, what would from 1 to a million or 10 million?
I would give a 0.
I would give at least a 10.
On 10? I don't know.
10 on a million, okay?
The only thing that helps is that you're cute.
That doesn't help. And I have a good idea.
Okay, we're gonna put the cupcake in. Yeah.
Oh my god. I might burn the iPad.
No, it won't. No, Dina, put this back up. Show my child.
I'm not. I'm showing the oven.
I get it.
Okay.
Dina?
I'm showing the oven only. Only the oven. Don't worry. Oven. Nice look at the oven. Now look. How does it feel? It might take a second or two. Stop. One here. Look at the view. Tell me if it's horrible then. This is the worst video ever. Just rate us anything. Even a thumbs down.
No, why? Don't rate us.
Rate us.
Oh.
Do you know? Do you know
Hey.
what my mom would say if she had a beard? I don't know. Just subscribe and leave us something in the comments. Oh, and we might have to do more comedy. Yeah.
Are you done spoon licking, Dina? Wash it.
Yeah, I'm
Stop it.
not. Wait. And the cupcakes are ready, and
We're not ready. These will be ready. We'll get back to you guys later. Ciao, ciao.
another episode.
All right.